Hey Sunshines, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Melray coming at you with another video. And tonight we are in my bed. We are in my bed today because it's really late. Okay? It's really late. It's like 2 a.m. right now. And I'm wired and I can't sleep. So I'm going to do another Ipsy unboxing for you since I can't sleep. And I washed my hair and everything like that. So don't mind me if I move it around. It's still molding. I don't know if it's gonna dry by the time I go night-night, but we'll just have to see. But yeah, just for a quick little update, I just got back from my family trip. We went to Vermont to Lake George just for a week of just like no service, like no skin, like only skincare. I said no skincare, oh, please. With only skincare, doing like nothing with her hair, wearing no lotion, no deodorant, no nothing. Just a week of just nothingness, and it was fantastic. And right now I'm feeling super rejuvenated, and I'm just ready to come back to work with you guys because I literally tried to film a video out there and it just wasn't working out for me. Like, I don't know if I was just being too picky. I was just like criticizing myself too much and it was just too much. I felt like I was too into like the whole family vacation thing that I couldn't quite focus on making a YouTube video. And everything was just so beautiful. I just didn't want to just film just one thing. Like, I just wanted to get the whole thing. But I kind of just wanted to take the time to really enjoy my vacation and not stress too much. So I kind of just put the phone away and put the filming away and waited till I got back to see you guys again. And here I am. So yeah, tonight we are going to do another Ipsy bag unboxing. I'm so excited because I got this in the mail the day that I came back from vacation. So it's lit. It was meant to be. I actually wanted to do this unboxing when I was on vacation, but it didn't come before I left. So I was like, okay, great. I'll just do it when I come back. So here it is. Let's just get started because I've been dying to look in here and you know, I've been dying to see what they get me on my treat bag or whatever. I got goodies. I got goodies. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm guessing that all of them actually always come in these packagings. So I'm just going to assume so because my other one did as well. But we got a cute new bag. It looks really, really cute. It's more like iridescent. Is that the right word for it? Yeah, this is like more of a iridescent, like holographical kind of pouch. I like this. I like this. I will be switching out the yellow one that I had in my previous Ipsy bag for this one for the meantime until I get a new Ipsy bag. I'm gonna just always switch them. And then they have like 3 little things out in the box. So let's just get started. And what was not in the bag, we'll get started with that first. I have 2 face masks actually. This one is the Secret Key Tea Treat Calming and Soothing. So okay, I like tea treats, so this would definitely work for me. I'm gonna use these on my Sunday skincare days for sure. I trust that. This one is the Nature Recipe, the Nature Recipe Hunt and Honey. This is for nutrition and smooth complexion. Nice. I will be also using this in one of my skincare Sundays. Okay, we have. I haven't used. Ooh. I don't really like Ico London, but I'll just still give it a try anyway. Again, I did use this eyeliner before. Let me open it up for you guys real quick. I'm not bashing Ico at all. I just feel like this for a wing eyeliner, it just doesn't work for me. Like on here, it'll show that it's like really pigmented, but then on my eye, like literally this specific, like the marker kind of eyeliner, it never works for me because then when I apply it to my eye, it looks so freaking dry. Like it looks mad dry. Like I'm not with it to have a dry liner. I like my liners to look really wet and black. You know what I mean? That wet and black look, that's what I want. I don't want this dry shit. All right? I don't want this dry shit. But I'm still grateful. I'm still going to use this on somebody someday. Or maybe this could just be a trace line for my liner, and then I just go over it with the actual liquid. But now we're actually going to get in the inside of the bag, which is my favorite part. And before I actually open it and get started, I did want to just ask you guys if you did enjoy my first Ipsy unboxing, and if I should just continue on doing it, even though I'm already continuing on doing it right now, and I'm going to post this one eventually. But if you guys are really interested in seeing me get my Ipsy bags and me opening up my packagings on camera with you guys and being surprised for the first time and showing you what I got for the month and everything like that, and then like eventually doing like a tutorial on everything that I got. But just let me know in the comments section below if you do enjoy my Ipsy unboxing videos. And don't forget to give this video a cute thumbs up if you are actually a part of the Ipsy monthly glam bags with me. Then we can open these together. I actually do wonder if they send out different things to people or everyone gets the same thing. No, actually, it's definitely everyone gets something different, because before I did sign up to get the Ipsy glam bags, it did ask me various questions, just like are you oily or are you dry? So of course, like, somebody with dry skin wouldn't get like my products or whatever. But yeah, let's just move on. Like so. We got another flyer. July 2018 Ipsy bag, basically. Okay, I see something good. Let me not get my hopes high, but I see something good here. I think something's about to come through real quick. But yeah, so we got banana powder. Oh my god, we got a banana powder. So me and banana powder have been like back and forth as of lately, because I am in desperate need of a new banana powder. But I actually been trying out other powders and they either are not working for me, and I always end up wanting to go back to Laura Mercier. So there's a new one I can try, and this one is the Poudre Fixante Banana. Okay, I don't know the brand, please don't be mad if I don't, but that's how it looks, and it's okay, in a medium. Okay, banana setting powder in a medium. I'm actually gonna try this tomorrow. Okay, it should be good. I'm actually gonna try this in my on my face this week. I'm like scared though. Like, the only thing about banana powder and like translucent powder that I get freaked out about is that, like, throughout the day, because the Kat Von D did me so dirty one day. Like, I had the illest beat face, but the Kat Von D was like so drying that you saw like the cracks of my concealer, and it was just so bad. And I'm just so scared that if I do that and I'm trying out a product and going to work and then looking like a dumbass like I did that day, but I still pulled it off anyway, because I'm just that bitch. But you know, it just wasn't a good time, and I don't want to look dumb trying a new product and it just doesn't work and my face looks crazy. But yeah, moving forward. So we got a cute banana powder. I gotta try that on for you guys. We got Seba Med liquid face and body wash for sensitive skin. Okay, 100% soap and alkali free, support skin nature barrier, dermatologist recommended. Okay, so this is direct moisten skin. Okay, so basically this is just like a soap for your face and body, whichever you prefer, for sensitive skin specifically, which I am happy I got it for sensitive skin, because your girl has dry skin. It's weird because my face is really oily and then my skin all around is just really dry. Like, I can even show you guys this now. Like, depending on what kind of fabrics I wear with my clothing, or like if I'm wearing jeans for a whole day, best believe later on when I come home, like, my legs are going to be on fire because they're so dry, and like, I don't know, like, the fabrics kind of rub off my moisture from my skin, and it's just not a good time. And I get like these little like random, can y'all see that? Hold on one second. And I get these like little random rashes here, and I scratch really hard. Like, it's really bad. I have a problem with scratching. I could scratch all day. So if you actually have something to suggest to me for dry skin. I already use like the shea butter moisture or whatever like that. I need a new tub of that, but if there's anything else that you could suggest to me, please leave that in the comments below. I'm really sad because we only have one more product in here, and it's super cute, and I'm so excited to show you guys. We got a lip liner, y'all. We got a lip liner. Yes, it's called Mandarin Lip Liner by Lord & Berry. I've definitely heard of this company before, and we're just gonna swatch that for you. Yes, Red & Berry. I said Red & Berry. Yes, Lord & Berry. I said Red & Berry. Okay, so this is like one of those oranges that looks like red, but it's like red and orange from the same time. I don't know, like, I really like these colors though, but I don't think I'd actually use it for my lips. I'm probably going to use it as like an eyeliner or something like that, or make it into something really, like, I'm going to use this for other things other than my lips, basically. And that's all that's in the bag, y'all. That's all that's in the bag. I felt like it was like less stuff, but it's really not. Just gotta be grateful for what I get, right? Okay, sunshine, so that's all I have for you guys tonight. Your girl needs to go to bed because it's literally 2:53 in the morning. And I'm filming. Tired as hell. But wired as hell too. I don't understand myself right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my second Ipsy glam bag unboxing. I will be doing more of those. Please let me know again in the comment section below if you are interested in viewing more videos of me unboxing my Ipsy bags. Or if you don't like them, let me know. Or if you do enjoy them more, then like let me know, because I'll do them more. I'll not be like sitting here boring you guys or whatever. Please be sure, if you haven't already, to subscribe, like, and comment, share with your friends, or the friends that you got, girl. Even if it's just one friend, share with that friend. And I love you all, sunshines to pieces, and I hope you have a marvelous night. Don't let the bad bugs bite. Until next time, sunshines, peace and love. I'm going to bed. Good night.